Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about safe handling tips for compressed air. When using compressed air, always remember that it is a gas under pressure and must be handled with extreme caution. Workers often forget or simply do not know how dangerous compressed air can be. It is a compressed air produces a stream of energy that blasts out at incredibly high speeds up to 70 miles per hour. The hazards with compressed air: if mishandled, it can cause serious injury to the operator or anyone in the immediate vicinity. Using compressed air to clean work area must never done because it is forceful enough to dislodge heavy particles that can hit sensitive body parts. It can also cause air embolism when blasted at the skin. Always remember, compressed air can be a killer. Never point a compressed air hose at another person. Safe handling tips for compressed air. Let us have a look for safe handling tips for compressed air. Always wear safety goggles and other appropriate PPE. Inspect the air compressor unit, attachments and tools before use. Never use a broken or damaged compressors or equipment. When using a diesel powered unit, make sure there is adequate ventilation to prevent hazardous buildup of carbon monoxide. Always use the right size hose and fittings. Make sure all connections are tight and will not come loose under pressure. Air supply hoses must have a minimum working pressure rating of 150 psi or 150% of maximum pressure produced in the system. Set pressure according to the manufacturer's instructions. Always blow out the air line before connecting it to a tool. This will clear out moisture and dirt. Point hose away from yourself and others. Never kink, twist or bend the hose to stop airflow. Keep air hoses out of walkways to avoid tripping hazards or damage to the hose. Keep cylinders away from excessive heat. Gas under pressure can explode if exposed to fire or significant rise in temperature. Always turn off the air pressure when the system is not being used or when changing pneumatic tools and attachments. These are the safe handling tips for compressed air. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.